What is financial literacy and why it is so important? If you are new to this concept, you will learn it by end of this video. In India, more than 75% people are literate, which means they can read and write a simple message in any language with understanding. But do you know how many are financially literate? Financially literate means being smart with your money and having the knowledge and skills to understand and manage your money effectively. It involves knowing how to budget, save, invest, and making the right financial decisions. According to the S&P Global Financial Literacy Survey, which was conducted in 2015, only 24% of Indians are financially literate. 76% of Indians are not financially literate, and they do not understand key financial concepts like budgeting, investing, inflation, risk diversification, compound interest, etc. This reminds the quote from Alan Greenspan, former chairman of the Federal Reserve. The number one problem in today's generation and economy is the lack of financial literacy. Even in the recent survey conducted by the Reserve Bank of India, the financial literacy rate didn't change much. The survey found that only 27% of Indians meet the minimum level of financial literacy. This is the very lowest literacy rate if we compare it to other countries. As per Yahoo Finance, these are the top 10 financially literate countries: Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Canada, Israel, United Kingdom, Germany, Netherlands, Australia, Finland, and USA financial literacy rate is 57%. These countries understand that financial literacy has a direct link to the financial well-being of society and individuals, so they made personal finance a part of their education system. That's why they are far ahead of us, but we are not taught personal finance in schools. I hope one day personal finance will be a part of Indian education curriculum. Now, why is financial literacy so important? Because every rupee that you earn gives you an opportunity to choose your financial future. If you spend it foolishly, you choose to be poor. If you spend it on liabilities, you choose to join the middle class. And if you invest in your mind to learn how to acquire assets, you choose to be financially independent. To become financially independent, you should be financially literate. As Robert T. Kiyosaki said in Rich Dad Poor Dad, if you want to be rich, you need to be financially literate. And also you should know the key financial concepts, such as the importance of saving, how to invest, how to use debt, and most importantly, the difference between asset and liability. If you don't know the difference, you either remain poor or end up in middle class traps. As Robert said, rich people acquire assets, the poor and middle class acquire liabilities that they think are assets. Finally, one thing to remember: every day, with every rupee you earn, you can decide to be rich, poor, or middle class. It's up to you who you choose to be.